Music. Want an unforgettable trip? This video reviews the Key booking platform. Links are below. Key specializes in group tours for young travelers 18 to 35. Explore iconic destinations with like-minded people on exciting itineraries. City adventures? Cultural journeys? Adrenaline-pumping trips? Key has it all. Key offers unique, off-the-beaten-path experiences without sacrificing the essentials: sightseeing, local cuisine, and cultural immersion. These tours are designed for social travelers looking to make memories and friends. Explore Europe, North America, Asia, Africa, and beyond. Browse tours by destination, theme, or duration. Each package includes detailed information on accommodations, meals, transport, and activities. Key's strong social community connects travelers with shared interests. Group settings and optional activities encourage friendships, perfect for solo travelers or anyone seeking a group experience. Ready for fun, flexibility, and adventure? Key delivers amazing itineraries and a vibrant social scene. Start planning your next adventure today. Check the links below.